This animal can break its own bones. And that's not even the scariest part. The Komodo dragon doesn't just bite. It injects its prey with deadly bacteria that causes a slow and painful death. Deep in the ocean, the anglerfish has a horrifying way of mating. The tiny male fuses into the female's body, losing his eyes and organs until he's just a living lump of reproductive tissue. And the golden poison dart frog carries enough venom to kill 10 grown men with a single touch. But the most terrifying of all, the hairy frog. When threatened, this creature snaps its own bones and forces them through its skin, creating deadly claws to fight off predators. Want more scary facts? Subscribe now!